So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find dog-friendly rentals here on apartments.com. So once apartments.com is opened up, I want you to type in your location. I'll just use Toronto for this example, then press on search. Once you're here to refine your search for dog-friendly rentals, go to the top right to where it says all filters, then just scroll down to where it says pet policy, and where it says select one, press on the drop down, make sure that dog-friendly is selected. Once that kind of refines there, go to the bottom right, press on see results. Now all the listings that you're going to be seeing actually do allow dogs, so very, very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find dog-friendly rentals on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.